Yo guys, what's up? My name's Nick, and in this video I'm going to show you how to factory lace shoes.
Alright guys, so the first step in factory lacing is to pull out the laces not too tight. You want to hold them together in one hand like this. Get your fingers in a little gun position. Loop one time around so that you have two sets of parallel lines right here. You want to open up your fingers, cross the laces over. Now you want to get your right finger and go in between the holes, lift up, and you want to grab the middle of the laces so that the tips are still out. Grab the aglets and pull half of the laces out, and there you have it, a nice factory lace. Alright guys, and since Nike is completely different from Adidas, let me show you how to do it on a pair of Yeezys. So once again, pull the laces straight out, hold them with one hand, get your finger in the gun, underneath both the laces, wrap around once, two sets of parallel lines, open up your fingers, cross, one finger through the holes, pull up, grab the end, right here, the base of the laces, pull half of it out, and there you go. Nice factory lace on Adidas shoes and Nike shoes. Not too bad, right guys? And once it's like this, if it is too loose, you kind of just want to like grab it and fidget with it. You see how I'm making it tighter and looser like this? Then you can even pull down on the base and lock it up more. And that's how you adjust it if it's too tight or loose.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope it helped some of you guys out, and if you enjoyed it, please leave a like, subscribe, and until next time, I'm out. Peace.